Hi, I'm Jake with Salem Distributing Company, here with another tech tip to keep your equipment in top shape. As you run production on the machines, the couple wheels on your Bovone will require periodic replacement. Today we're going to take a look at 3 common types of wheel mounts on Bovone edger and miter machines and how to change them. Please take necessary precautions when changing wheels. Salem highly recommends powering down your equipment to ensure compliance with federal guidelines to prevent workplace accidents. Machines equipped with traditional cup wheels require the use of a 19mm wrench and a 30mm socket. Lower the wheel down as far as possible. Insert the 19mm wrench into the lower fan cover to get a grip on the rotor. Place the 30mm onto the cap nut that holds the wheel into the spindle rotor assembly. Keep in mind that the rotor and nuts for the rear air motors are left-handed. All others are standard. Remove the nut and lift the wheel. Replacement is the opposite of removal. Machines with our new click fit system have a special hub design that eliminates having to fix the rotor in place with the 19mm wrench. Lower the wheel down as far as possible. Use a pair of the BDT spanner wrenches that affix to the index holes on the supporting hub and the wheel. Twist the wheel free from the hub, again opposite direction for the rear air motors, and lift the wheel out. Replacement wheels index into the same location and click into the hub by using the spanners in the opposite direction. Polishing wheels often have a different mounting setup to either the traditional cap nut or the click fit design. Start by lowering the wheel completely away from the glass. For these wheels, there's typically 3 10mm bolts that hold them to the hub. Use either a wrench or a ratchet to loosen and remove these bolts, then remove the wheel. For each of these above styles, installation of the new wheel is the opposite of removal. Before returning the machine to production, be sure to remove all tools, recalibrate the machine as needed, verify water position, and close up the water protection. If you have any questions about the various types of tooling we can provide for your equipment or would like any information regarding Salem's PM program to maximize efficiency, do not hesitate to contact us either by phone or online. Thanks for joining us for another tech tip, and thank you for choosing Salem and celebrating our 20th year as an employee-owned company.